Got a AFE throttle body spacer about to install. Don't mind the girly cup here, I'm a little bit sick just drinking the medicine up. Okay, let's try this out. Haven't tried one of these out yet. We'll see what's inside here. I'll give an honest review of it. I'm not expecting much, if at all. Give an honest review though. There it is. Got some bolts there. Those are probably the longer bolts to replace the ones that you take out. 4 of them. Gasket, oh that's good. Carb number. Oh, nice little sticker. Should I put that one? Yeah, we'll get to that at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the part number for a 14 Silverado with the 5.3, 1421 Silverado Sierra 5.3 liter. You'll want part number 46-34008. And so the first step is to remove the intake that we just put on from the throttle body. And for that, got a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so because I got this intake, this didn't want to come off so easy, so I just retook off the PVC here, PCV, pull it back a little bit. Next step, take 10mm socket and take off 4 bolts here, and don't unhook the connection to the throttle body. Okay, so after you get that out of the way, leave the factory O-ring in place. You're still going to use that. Mine's still good. Actually, I'm surprised how clean the inside of my intake manifold is. There's not really anything in there. Still going to do an intake manifold cleaning later, but that'll be another video. Now this is an electronic throttle body, so do not push, twist, or manipulate the throttle plate at all. Otherwise you will have to have it tuned properly again and reset. Okay, so make sure, see how it says top here? This goes up like this and in like this, and you leave it like that, and you put your gasket from the kit, you put that gasket, this guy here, you put that right here between the throttle body and the spacer. Then you'll use those bolts that came with it. And this kit comes with all these little lock washers and flat washers. So put your lock washer, one lock washer and then one flat washer on, just like this. Okay, so I got all 4 bolts started by hand, and it says to torque them to 45 inch-pounds, and I would torque them from here, then this one, and this one. I'll do that then. Okay guys, got all these torqued down. I'm just going to retighten the intake clamps and put the PCV back on. Then we'll start her up. Okay, it started up. It seems normal. All seems good here. Don't hear any hissing sounds or anything. Oh, and I'll put the instructions and the original bolts in the box in case everyone take it off. I got the OE bolts right there. Got the instructions. Okay, so we'll go for a drive after I go have supper there and test her out. I am really impressed with the air intake. You know, I thought it would just all be sound, but I towed my brother's truck the other day, and through the hills and whatever, it held RPMs a little bit better. Really complimented the exhaust on how it just holds gears better now. We'll put this above the we'll put that up here. Yeah, we'll put that up here. Nice. Okay, and once we get a little bit more snow here, it's not really enough, do some snow wheeling videos in this old girl right here. Get some sweet snow drifting and playing in the snow. That's always fun. But we just got to wait to get a few more inches of it, which is coming this weekend, I think. Okay, driving around, I feel something is a little bit changed, but it feels good. I just don't know what it is yet. Keep driving around, we'll figure it out. One thing I like about this one versus some of the other ones out there is that this throttle body spacer doesn't make any whistle sound. I don't think that something should sound like it has a turbo unless it actually has a turbo. Ooh, nice. Okay, so it feels like, whereas the intake, the K&N intake and the exhaust, really you feel the difference on those around the mid-range RPM and up. This, I seem to feel on the low end of it, like the low speed throttle response. Yeah, that's where the difference is. Yeah, so I'd say the difference with this one is the low RPMs, like the right off the line throttle response. So that's where this one is. I'm actually surprised. Well, have a good one. I'm gonna now leave you with pretty much what everyone wants: trailer swift.